Hey guys, so I'm at the beach. Pretty windy, but not extremely windy. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I have my mic set up, so I'm testing this out to see how it goes. Oh, the music's gone, so we'll see how this goes. I'll get some action going and maybe some pictures. So we're at the mountain hiking trail part 2. We just went to the beach and now we are here. We're gonna go hike and I'll have some adventure and see how it goes. Come take a hike with me. Woo! You want to be in the vlog?
Want me to be in your video?
If you want, sucker. So what's your name?
My name's Kaden. I'm her fan.
I'm so dead. Alright. Okay, so we are kind of walking up a hill a little bit. Well, the hill's like up here. There's like 3 entrances where you can walk. A few friends on this hike and they're pretty friendly. They're actually going to Hawaii soon, and that's where I was supposed to go this summer, but COVID happened. You know how that goes. So we're actually going next year and we're gonna have fun. We're gonna, and I'm glad I actually got the GoPro just in time for this. So my birthday's coming up and a couple trips, and also we're gonna travel for next year and maybe some cruises. Who knows what life brings us, Just give God thanks and gratitude. Sorry, I got the hiccups. And just be able to enjoy life and see the beautiful nature and just do you, boo. some more vlogs coming pretty soon. Just gotta edit them. Yo, how do we get up here again? Okay, let's see. I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so we're actually going to part 2. I forgot about this trail. There was a part 2 in here somewhere. So we just left from part 1 over there. And this place is pretty cool because this trail is humongous and it has a lot going on over there. A lot of people actually go swimming over here, but I wouldn't recommend it. But it's a pretty cool trail though. Can't beat it. Swim in that dirty ass water. I would never do that. Hey guys, so we're at Target. I'm trying to get some stuff for my trip, just getting myself prepared, and I'll let you know what I get. I actually went to Walmart first. That was the first errand I did, and we got a few things there. It's kind of hard to talk with the mask, but you know, Target is my spot, girl.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by. Someone save me before I pass out. I'm too lonely to be.
Hey guys, so we're at the park. We're about to do some hoverboard and just have some fun. And Caden's gonna ride his scooter, I guess, because it's a little later in the day and the sun actually went down, which is pretty nice. So it's pretty beautiful out. Can't complain. Thanks to God and beautiful side. The park's all the way over here.
I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't it? Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, so if I had an option to...
She'll be mad if I break it. Sorry guys. Bro, these badass kids want to ride on the hoverboard, and nah, their parents are like watching me, so hell. Because what if one of them like accidentally falls off or something, and then they blame me for letting them ride it, right? How funny. So hell nah. Oh, look at the sun. Wow, the sun's so beautiful. So guys, we actually reached the end of this vlog. I tried to get as much footage as I could, but you know, it was kind of tough. First time vlogger doing my thing, but I got as much footage as I can and did the daily thing. It's COVID. Not a lot of things are open in Boston where I live, so it's not much I can do anyhow. So I did as much as I could, got some errands done for my trip, and I'm closing today's vlog out. So if you would like, comment, subscribe, and share, and let me know if you would like anything interesting, because I'm gonna start trying to do some cooking videos pretty soon, because I like to cook. And like I said before, anything creatively outside the box, maybe soccer with Daniel, who knows, my brother, and anything basically fun. But stay tuned for the real vlogs, which is the family trips that's coming up. That's gonna be fun. So I'll see you guys later. Hugs and kisses. Mwah.